Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to show for you a list like this. So then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on sync. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to next step here. Come here to fetch media on sync. When you just click on it here, then it's going to show for you a list like this. And here can you select it in this list on your AnkiDroid app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.